Hello, investors. I just want to say, first and foremost, if you like videos like these, as in top fives, please make sure to leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and just let me know if you enjoy these type of videos, so I can continue to make more. Um, it's highly appreciated. Thank you very much. Now let's get forward to the video. So I want to talk about Microsoft. Um, the reason Microsoft I think is a really good stock to buy is because if you look here at the 5-year graph, um, it's just been consecutively been going up. Started off as a like around a $40, $45 company. Just as the years been going up, it's been progressively going up. Look at this chart; it's beautiful. There's nothing wrong with it. Um, the only time it ever went down was just when Corona ended up hitting, which is for those who ended up getting in at 137. Props to you. I mean, that was a perfect opportunity. You probably won't see one of those until maybe the next pandemic. Um, but Microsoft is a beautiful cop right now. I mean, before it gets any more expensive, I mean, if you look at the graph, I mean, it's just beautiful. Um, it just reminds me of Visa. I mean, if we take a here look at Visa, a 5-year graph, it's just beautiful as well. But the reason why Microsoft is a good opportunity for investors is that um, it's a highly competitive company. Not only that, they're supplying uh, comp- uh, cell phones, computer software, computers. They got like Xboxes, gaming PCs, gaming desktops, um, etc. As well as the Windows. I mean, the web browsers. There's a lot of things to Microsoft alone, and I'm pretty sure they have a lot of partnerships with a lot of other companies as well. So you can definitely see Microsoft going up. Not only that, they make money from all the all the games that people be buying and like in store, um, all the little crypto stuff they be buying inside the games, um, like battle passes for those who know. Um, but Microsoft is definitely a good investment for those who wanna go and invest, as well as let's see, Apple. Apple would be my second option. Um, it's a really good investment if we look here at the 5-year graph. I mean, just another beautiful chart. As the year's been going on, each year it just doubles its price. 2017, 139. Uh, 2018, 156. Then as we follow up, 2019, then it's 204. 2020 320, then Corona hit, so it ends up dropping to near about 229, which is a pretty decent price for the new investors, um, since Apple is definitely a good company. And that's not only that, if we take here, look, the dividend yield is 0.99. I believe it dropped actually. I thought it was like 1.11 not too long ago. But still definitely out of 322, 332, I'm sorry, you'll definitely be getting what, like uh $10, $20 around there, I believe, between that range, which is definitely a good price. But going back to Microsoft, uh let's see how much their dividend is. 1.09, so you're essentially gonna get almost about the same thing, you know. But Apple's definitely gonna keep on growing. Every year millions of people go and buy the new phone, regardless if they need a new upgrade or not. I mean, you know, people, they just want the new and hottest latest thing. um, So definitely Apple's a good investment for those. As you see, 66% buy, and there's about 400,000 people that own Apple on Robinhood, which is a pretty good amount. Not only that, this company was founded in 1976, so um, it's still alive 50 years later. So you can definitely see this company staying here for another, possibly another 50 years. Okay, so what we have here is Disney, and the reason why we have Disney as our third is because it's television, resorts, and so what this basically is it's just like Netflix, Hulu, basically, um, almost. And the reason why you see, if you look here at the graph, Disney has been around steady about 90, 130, around there, $100. And now that when as soon as Disney Plus came out, in 2019 around there, this Disney went up. So now that time has been going on, you've been seeing Disney hit new highs. But as soon as Corona hit, Disney was had to shut down. So there was a huge hit on the business, which caused the stock go all the way down to $85. So for new investors, that was a really good opportunity, as you can see. And now, as time has been going on, Disney has been recovering slowly but surely, and it's at 127 currently. But you should definitely see it recover up to where it was before and hit new highs, possibly like 160 around there. Um, or possibly even to like 200s, because the reason is that Disney Plus is out now. A lot of people have it, including myself, like including a couple of my family members and friends. And since Disney Plus is out, it has the same potential to be as Netflix, which is another streaming service essentially. And it's Netflix in the 5-year graph, as you see, in 2016 it was valued at $90. As of 2020, it's at 416, which is unbelievable, and it just blew up, which is the same reason why Disney has the same potential to blow up as well, just because of Disney Plus. And so Disney is a pretty good investment right now while it's at $100, because in 2 years, 3 years from now, you don't have no idea from where it could go. And not only that, actually, Disney has a very, very good dividend of 1.74, which basically is giving you an investment of like $15 as well, almost, which is for 127 compared to um, like Apple, which is like a $332 stock. It's pretty good if you ask me. And for our fourth stock that we have here today is Tesla. And the reason why Tesla is here is because Tesla is kind of known as the meme stock. And if you look here at the 5-year graph, Tesla was at 300 and 200, 300 between 2016 and 2017. And all of a sudden, in 2019 and 2020, it just blew up. And now it's sitting at currently at $944, which is unbelievably insane if you ask me. And if this company, or I'm sorry, if this stock is able to pass the 1,000 mark, I definitely see this company having the potential to possibly go up to like 1,500, maybe possibly 2,000, or maybe even more. As you can see, Elon Musk is a genius, and he has just currently launched his his jet or whatever into space, and it was successful, which is a it's like he's making history himself, because the reason is, um, for the first time it's an actual person, like a personal owned company that launched as a person into space, not the government, which is a pretty big thing. That's history, uh, right there, and not a lot of people actually noticed it due to all the riots and stuff that was going on to George Floyd. So R.I.P. But Tesla is a pretty good investment, as you can see. Uh, Currently, it has no dividends, which is the sad part, but uh, definitely Tesla is a really, very, very, very good investment, and as well as all the electric cars that are coming out. And not only that, Nikolai just ended up blowing up today, went from a $40 stock into an $80 stock, which had a growth of 104% in one day, which is a huge move. Um, so definitely look out for Tesla and Nikolai and electric cars. It's the next big thing here in America, and it's the next step into the future. So definitely look out for that. And for my final top 5, it'll be Snap. And the reason why is that is because if Snap has the potential to pass $20, this company alone has the potential to possibly break new highs, and knows where it goes, possibly to $30, $40, around there. And as you can see, when it first launched in 2017, uh, you weren't able to, I mean, not, you weren't able to, I'm sorry. The company was around $20, and it actually ended up dropping. So as the time went on, the company ended up losing its value, but slowly but surely, as 2019 and 2020, it started picking back up. But then as Corona hit, as all other companies as well, they ended up flopping a little bit. Um, Ended up going all the way to $10, which is a pretty good price. And I was actually thinking of considering buying some, but I was like, nah, Snap isn't a good buy. But now that I look back, I kind of regret it, to be honest. And for those who got in at $10, congrats, or possibly at $5 who have been holding for quite a while. You're definitely seeing those returns now. And if Snap has the potential to pass $20, I definitely see it going up to like $30 or so, since it's been struggling to pass the $20 mark. But as well, all the new generation, the youth, um, everybody uses Snapchat. I have a little brother that told me, uh, Snapchat's the wave, bro. So I mean, I was pretty surprised, and that was back then when all the, the around this time, March 20th, when everything was so low, and I was like, yeah, okay, but definitely look into that. So that'll be all into for all my top 5 guys. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what's up.